Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing a coin drop tutorial. Now there's a few different ways I'll teach you this one. I know quite a lot of variations of the coin drop, but today we're going to do the foundational coin drop, so go down and come back up out of it. And then in another video I'll throw down some variations for you guys to learn, yeah? So I'm going to be teaching you a basic version from knees first, then we'll go from slightly up, like mid-level, then we'll go from a full standing up coin drop. I'll teach you how to go into a backspin from your coin drop, and I'll teach you how to pop up out of that coin drop too, yeah? So let's get this one in. So we're going to drop down to the floor first to start it off. You're going to start down on your knees. Now I'm going to shout out the opposite of everything I'm doing. So here, you'll be putting down your right hand, I'm putting down my left. If you, as I've said in previous videos, make sure all your power moves travel the same way. So if the way that I'm teaching today is the opposite way you need, just do the opposite of everything I'm saying, yeah? Just to make it easier for you. You want to make sure all your power moves are traveling the same way, yeah? So to start off, starting on your knees, you're going to put right hand down first, left arm is going to come up. Now you're going to thread this left arm underneath. So you're going to thread it through, throw it under. From here, you're going to come onto your left shoulder. Now I will go a couple of different angles when I'm teaching this, just so it's easier for you to see. And I'll throw up a slow motion somewhere here or here, just so you can see different angles too with it quicker. So, right arm down first, left hand up in the air. You bring it underneath, left shoulder down. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to bring your knees up and you're going to jump off your feet with the intention of spinning that way. So this is why you throw this arm under, because it's going to come around this way. So you can get a nice clean spin. Now you want to be nice and high up, between your shoulder blades, even as high as neck. If you do not jump high enough, you're going to land in your lower back, you can get a nice bruise. Yeah? So from this angle, left arm's coming underneath, left shoulder down, bring your knees up, you're going to jump. Keep the arm moving, you should come nice and high up, you should get a little spin, yeah? I'll go from the side angle. So from here, you want to bring left arm up, bring it through, shoulder down, knees up, jump. Nice and high on your shoulders. One more angle. So, left arm, right arm down, left arm up, bring it through, onto your shoulder, jump, come through to that, yeah? Awesome. Now let's go a little higher. So from here, you're going to start from feet now. Right arm down, left arm's coming up, bring it through. Now if you can't, if you don't have enough flexibility to put that shoulder down, you're just going to do a little drop into it. If you can put that shoulder down, you'll put that shoulder down first. So if you've got that flexibility, shoulder down, same jump, thread it through. If not, you're just going to slightly drop into it. So it's the same thing. You want to bring it through, slight drop and jump. And you're looking to land on this part of your shoulder and here. Because if you land too far down, if you land too far up here, you're going to get a bruise. You want to land on this part where it's kind of squishy. That's why you won't get as much of a bruise. It'll be a nice soft landing. So from this angle, starting slightly higher up. One arm down. Again, make sure you're going the correct way for all your power moves. Left arm up, bring it underneath. If you can drop to shoulder, do it. If not, you're going to slight drop, jump, twist them hips up, nice and high on the shoulders, and through. One more side. So here, right arm down, left arm up. You're going to bring it through. If you can, shoulder down first. If not, push, turn, drop, nice and high up. Now the only difference when you're going all the way up is you're just starting from up. You can do a little top rock across if you want. Right arm will come down, the legs will come up, and you'll throw into it. So I'll show you one first. So you come across and drop into it. Now the reason I tell you to thread the arm is because that's what you do when you're all the way up. You're going to thread, because that kind of helps you get a nice smooth entrance into that coin drop. Yeah? Now we'll do that standing one, stand up one again in a minute. We're going to figure out how we get up from this coin drop, yeah? So you just take that thread underneath, and you should be here. Now what you're aiming to do is you're going to twist your shoulders, you're going to do a little pop with your legs, and your hips are going to come up like this. You want to lift them hips up as you hit a little twist. And if I turn this way so you can see, once you twist, you're going to push off these arms, and you should come up to here into your A-frame, yeah? So, again, so you should be, you've coin dropped, landed on your back, should be nice and high on your shoulders. So you're going to twist these arms. You want these legs to keep moving, twist. You want to pop your hips at the same time and get a little push up. Yeah, so let's try that from knees. So from your knees, right arm down, left arm up. You're going to throw it underneath. We're going to try to get that pop up this time, yeah? So underneath, you're going to hop. Once you've gone to your shoulders, don't pop too early. Once you've gone to your shoulders, wait till you start to come around to the other side and then pop. Yeah, so we throw it underneath, jump twist, pop, and get that push up. Now it'll take time to get the correct time of that on, but it will get there, yeah? So, on from this angle on knees. So, right arm down, left arm up, bringing it through, shoulder, bring your knees up, onto your back, and then get that pop. And push. You should do a little spin, yeah? On from this angle. So hand down, other arm up, we bring it underneath, shoulder, push, pop, and push it up, yeah? Now same thing from mid-level. So starting here, you can start to drop now, you're getting more comfortable with it, you're getting more confident. So from here, left arm up, bringing it through. Once you go down to your shoulders, wait till you start to transition to the other side, and then get that pop, and get that push. Now it's the same from all the way up as I said, you just got to get a smoother drop into it. So you'll step it across here, right arm down, left arm up as your legs kick up, you thread it under, onto that shoulder, as you come across, get that pop up. So here, pop and push. Yeah, that's your coin drop. Now, coin drop might be one that takes you a little while, so as I said, I'll throw some slow-mos up here and here, just so you can see different angles a little bit slower, have a look at them details. I am going to throw out some more coin drop tutorials, different variation. I can do a reverse coin drop as well, so I'll throw that one out there. But that's it for today. If you're struggling with any of that, rewind it back, go back through it, train that one, get it good. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to keep up to date with the content. Be sure to hit that bell notification button so you're notified. I'm uploading 2 to 3 times a week at the moment. If there's anything that you guys do want to see that I'm not doing, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll get straight to that, yeah? Apart from that, check out links in the description if you want some more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.